Make a great choice today with the 2018 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.